I'm Fergus, a third-year politics student here at St Edmund's College, and last Sunday was fortunate enough to play in the 50-over cricket varsity match against Oxford, which makes me the first person to play in the Rugby Union varsity match and cricket varsity match in, I believe, 37 years. Varies a little bit from sport to sport. With the rugby, basically if you get on the field against Oxford in the varsity match, which is usually held in March now, then you get your blue. With the cricket it's slightly different, but there are two varsity matches that count for a full blue, and that's a way people can really celebrate their own achievements and be commended for what's an outstanding sort of achievement. So I have a bit of an unusual journey to Cambridge. So I was schooled in New Zealand, and then for whatever reason, right before my exams, I had a big head injury playing rugby, so didn't go to university straight away. Sort of had 3 gap years where I was sort of playing rugby, doing a bit of teaching, and then came here 3 years ago. First year I came here a month early for rugby pre-season. I've sort of been thrown into the rugby for 3 years, captain in my final year, which again was probably the biggest honour I've had. With the cricket, it's always been like I've got a bit of stick from mates because throughout the 3 years I've been going, oh, you know what, I think I could probably give it a go. I think I could probably do it. And then I was fortunate enough to get a chance a few weeks ago in quite an important game for the Blues here, and managed to do quite well. And then that sort of solidified my selection for the Oxford game. So there've been 2 very, very different university experiences. Enough that's a tricky question. I think this year's varsity match, captaining the side, and we went behind by 15 points in the first half, and sort of to come back and win sort of in the last minute was really, really special. I think the sort of emotional release and relief at the full-time whistle there was something I really can't put into words. The beauty of Cambridge sport, as much as the university stuff is awesome, is if you're just sort of getting started or you're unsure or you're nervous, and there's pretty much a college sport in pretty much every single sport. So from my experience, I came from the other side of the world and knew no one and was welcomed with open arms into everything I've thrown myself into. I'd say a big thank you to St Edmund's. I think they've been a really crucial part in my journey, and particularly Rob Preston. Actually, he's been a massive supporter of mine. It's a relationship I've really appreciated in my time here. I was really grateful to this place for sort of fostering my sporting career as well as my academic career. And yeah, it's a really unique place with some really special people, and I'm really going to be grateful for them forever.